Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and I'm going to be doing this sketch challenge right now. This is for Stamp with Joy. It's a little bit late going in, but it's going in and that's what matters. So this one is done in the Call Me Clover, which you don't very often see me use the new colours because I forget about I've got them. And Garden Impressions, I think. I can't remember what this set's called now. Garden Impressions. I got it right, and then I checked it. So I'm using a 4x6 of Call Me Clover, and then I'm using this Garden Impressions DSP, which is gorgeous. I was going to use that side, and then my design, it was going to be a floral design, and it completely changed, and so I went for the other side, which is like falling petals, which I really love. And it's got lots of lovely colours in there. So that's my layer. That's just a 1/4 of an inch shorter. Then I've got a layer of soft seafoam, which is going on top there, and onto that I've used Night of Navy, and I've stamped the Ballerina from a stamp set that I picked up online. Then I stamped the Ballerina again onto a piece of Call Me Clover that's going to go across there, and then I cut out a disc using a 1 3/4 inch hole punch and a scalloped 1 3/8 inch hole punch, that's circle punch, and they're going to go on there. That actually has Dance stamped on it, which is from the same set as the Ballerina. And then for the little strip that goes across, I thought instead of using card or ribbon, I'm going to use a strip of rhinestones, and I'm using 3 pieces of the silver, this lovely silver ribbon for the 3 strands that come over the card. And that's it. That's my card for that challenge. So I hope you like that, and I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration. I love it. I don't normally do cards like this, it's an unusual one for me. It's a nice, the sort of, just the way this looks like a medal to me. So it's nice to give to someone who's maybe won a dance championship or got a job in a dance, you know, the dance group or something, or who's passed and received an award or something, graduated in dance. It's lovely. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next week. I couldn't find a Positively Papercraft sketch challenge this week, and I don't know if that's because there was a Halloween challenge going on Positively Papercraft, and if Anne decided not to put too much pressure on people, and so didn't share one this week. So this is my one, which is quite fortunate really, because I've had quite a big project out today. So yeah. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow with my Christmas card, and I'll be back on Monday. I think I've got another thing, sort of an impromptu thing tomorrow. Anyway, I'll be back on Monday with a crochet project, and then next Wednesday with Papercraft project. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.